Talks on the Godhra train burning case have made a comeback again. It was during the election campaign of the BJP. It is PM Modi who has made reference to the Justice UC Banerjee Commission that had probed the Godhra train burning incident of 2002. Hello, this is Amina and welcome to Mood Tiranga. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while addressing an election rally in Bihar's Darbhanga on May 4th, had made mention of the commission that had probed the Godhra train burning incident. While mentioning this, PM Modi has attacked Lalu Prasad Yadav and the Congress party. PM Modi accused then Railway Minister Lalu Prasad Yadav and UPA government at the centre for setting free the accused in the train burning case. PM Modi, without mentioning Lalu Yadav's name, said that when the car sevaks were burnt alive in Godhra, the railway minister, to save the accused, appointed a committee headed by a Supreme Court judge. It was a rule of Sonia Gandhi, and that is why they set up that Banerjee committee. They got a report written through him declaring that those who burnt alive the 60 car sevaks were innocent and should be set free. Let's shed some light on the committee which PM Modi is talking about. The 2002 Godhra riots were sparked after 59 train passengers who were mostly car sevaks were burnt alive after they were returning from Ayodhya. The train had caught fire on February 27, 2002. Then in 2004, the Railway Ministry under Lalu Yadav had set up a high-level committee under retired Supreme Court Justice Umesh Chandra Banerjee to investigate the fire. The panel was to ascertain the cause of fire and to look into events after the train left Muzaffarpur and reached till Godhra through Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The panel on January 17, 2005 submitted an interim report. In the report, they concluded that the fire was accidental and not a deliberate attempted event. Now, point to note here is that this wasn't the only committee to probe the fire. A simultaneous inquiry was held by a commission in March 2002. This committee was appointed by Gujarat government under Modi as Chief Minister. Moreover, earlier the Modi government had also conducted a SIT probe under IPS officer Rakesh Asthana to investigate the incident. This SIT had already concluded that the fire was the outcome of a conspiracy. Now let's talk about the Banerjee committee which was set up under the UPA government. This committee was set up in 2004. But in December 2005, the committee was upgraded to a commission by the Railway Ministry. Now, with its new powers, the commission summoned several Gujarat police officers as witnesses. The Modi government initially did not permit the deposition of the officers, but later it allowed them to testify. The commission under the UPA government on January 17, 2005 had submitted an interim report. The BJP had criticized Justice Banerjee for submitting the interim report just ahead of the assembly elections in Bihar in 2005. Then on March 3, 2006, the Banerjee panel submitted its final report. There also it stood by its conclusion that the fire was accidental. Then, weeks after this, the Gujarat High Court upheld an order that had stayed tabling Banerjee Commission's report in Parliament or in public. Then the Supreme Court of India upheld the decision of the Gujarat High Court to stay Banerjee Commission's report. Then in 2008, a panel called the Nanavati Mehta Commission in its first report said that the train burning incident was pre-planned. Then in its final report in 2014, when Modi became the Prime Minister, this commission held that there was no conspiracy behind the riots that followed the train burning and they were outcome of the Godhra incident. Then on the directions of the Supreme Court, the case was also investigated by an SIT. Then based on the SIT investigation, a special court in March 2011 convicted 31 of 94 accused in the train burning case, acquitted 63 and gave death penalties to 11. Then in October 2017, the Gujarat High Court commuted the death penalties to life sentence. The court also upheld the conspiracy theory. So, Prime Minister Modi is now referring to the Godhra train burning case in his campaigns. What do you think could be the reason for Prime Minister Modi for mentioning about the Godhra train burning case during his campaigns? Well, that's all for this episode of Mood Tiranga. Till then, keep watching SW News English for all the latest updates on elections. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.